Hello, my friends. Audrey here. I hope you are all well. I'm here in my plant corner, and in today's video, I'm going to show you those Hoya that took a long time to finally start to grow. Let's start it. Here is my Hoya shooting star, the Hoya multiflora. It's probably one of the slowest growing Hoya in my collection. I had this Hoya for, oh gosh, about 3 years already, and that is how much it has grown. I think I bought this one as a small cutting, so it might come with 2 or 3 leaves, but that is how much leaves I got for growing for 2 or 3 years. It does give me a flower every year, so you can see this petanco. Even if the petanco fall out, it'll grow another petanco, but for growing leaf, this one is definitely the slowest. But you can see on the top, this year, I think it started to grow a little bit better. At least this spring, it already gave me 3 leaves. There's another petanco right in here, so I'm hoping this one can start to growing big, because I do love this one growing to become a big plant, and it looks so beautiful. It's just different. So yeah, definitely it's one of those Hoya that I'm going to take really good care of this year. This is my Hoya Crystal. It's definitely one of the slow growing Hoya. I had this one at least a year, if not 2 years, and that is how much it has been growing for me. I think I bought this as a cutting too, but it's definitely a very slow growing Hoya. So I think the growing point on the tops already died off. I don't think it's gonna grow anything. And it actually grew a side shoot on the side, but look at this newest leaf, it's already just come off. So there's a new side shoot from this side, and this is the new leaves from the side shoot, with the second leaf like just to fall off right now. Don't feel really hopeful for this one, but I do love the leaves. You see the pattern is so beautiful. So I'm not sure. Maybe I should pay attention to watering a little bit less. I'm not feel like this really thick leaves, it might need less water than the other Hoya. But yeah, it's one of those Hoya that is growing slow. It's growing a little bit side shoot, and now I'm a little bit worried about this side shoot. This is my Hoya Carnosa, or no idea Hoya, but look at this one, it started to grow. I had this Hoya for a long time, at least 2 years, and it just grew a little bit and stopped growing, grow a little bit, stop growing. It's really slow growing Hoya, but this year it started to grow pretty good. And this is new shoot coming out of this one, so yeah, this one started to grow. It's not on my favorite list or hate list, it's just one of this Hoya I have, but yes, I'm pretty happy this one started to grow. Here is my Hoya Marillet. Is started to grow. As you can see, this long side shoot branch just coming out like really tall, and the new leaves looks pretty nice. It's definitely one of the bigger size leaves on this new side shoot branch, so I think this one might start to grow again. I do love this Hoya when they get sun stress. It's so cute. And this the new this old leaves from the dial-up branch, but look how cute these leaves are. So I'm really excited about this new side shoot. Hopefully it will not die off like the other one, actually growing beautifully. This is my Hoya Ratusa. It's also, at least in my collection, a pretty slow growing Hoya. I did have some setback with this Hoya at dial-up branch like for the last 2 years. Or I forgot to water them, because this one I think drank a lot of water compared to the other Hoya, so it dried up pretty quick. And when it's dried up, it started to die off on some new leaves. So I had regrown this Hoya for the past 2 years, and it actually started to grow. If you can see this darker leaves on this cluster, and then there's some other darker stuff. That might be a mealybug. And then there's some growing points right in here, and also on this side shoot. this one in here, and there's another one in here. So this one also started to grow. And my goal for this plant is this year to remember water this one and making sure that there's no die-off on this one, because it's really not fun to regrow this one again and again every year. Last is this Hoya Carnosa silver. Is definitely one of those Hoya that I had for a long time. I probably told you guys about a story about 3 Carnosa at the same time: the regular one, the silver one, and the black one. The black one growing beautifully, the regular one died off, and then this silver one has been a problem for me until this year. You can see this year under the growing light it's actually growing really good. Maybe this Hoya just needed some stable light and temperature on the light, and then growing light is just give you a more stable way to growth, and it has grown really beautiful. You can see all the new growth on the leaves. So yeah, this is definitely one of the Hoya that I really love. The silver pattern on the leaves, I really want to have this one, and I've been worrying about this one for many years until now. So yes, I'm really excited about this one for sure. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy growing!